Some people always react with anger. How do you deal with such people?
Be angry. जैसे को तैसा मिला.
So, if you are angry, even I get angry?
That's one option, man. I'm only telling you one option. दूसरा ऑप्शन गांधी. एक गाल पे तमाचा मारा, दूसरा गाल दो, दूसरे पे तमाचा मारा तो संजय दत्त. दूसरे पे तमाचा मारा तो मेरे को बताया नहीं क्या करने का, मैंने भी ठोक दिया. So I'm joking. That's not the point. How to deal with an angry person is your basic question. Okay? So what happens if you are angry? As a counter to somebody's anger, there is escalation. Possibility. If your anger is superior to that person's anger, his anger gets suppressed. Possibility. When you respond with anger to somebody who is angry with you, both of you are getting disturbed. So more disturbance in his persona and in your persona. Are you interested in escalating anger or are you interested in reducing anger?
Reducing.
Not necessarily. Sometimes you are confronting an unfair situation. So by reducing, or your attempt to reduce anger may be viewed as a weakness.
Okay.
So these questions do not have a stereotype. First understand this, that whenever you are dealing in circumstances, you cannot put them in brackets. What is it that elicited an angry response? Were you wrong and therefore somebody got angry? Or is it the nature of the person to be constantly angry or respond in anger? So these are things which are situational. Now let's take a case that you and somebody who are constantly interacting, and that somebody is always in an angry responsive mode. Swabhav hai, that is his habit. Yeah, you're dealing with a person who is habitually angry. I think that is what you intended to ask. Okay, so if somebody is habitually angry, why are you upset? वो स्वभाव है उसका. Imagine that you are having a dog in the house. Are you not accustomed to the dog saying wow, 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 wow all the time? You're used to it. गलती से वो डॉग ने म्याओ बोल दिया तो क्या होगा? You'll be shocked, ना? अरे ये कुत्ता म्याओ कैसे बोला? Now you have somebody who is habitually angry and shouting at you and responding in an angry manner. स्वभाव है. Like you accepted the dog in the house barking, accept this person. What is your difficulty? Now tell me your difficulty in accepting this person's angry response.
It's irritating to a point sometimes when, you might not also be in the mood to hear that anger.
So you are not constantly irritated by his constant anger or her constant anger, correct? At some point of time, you probably trip the line and you get irritated with this angry response, okay? Now, when you are irritated and angry and upset yourself, your response comes from a background of irritation, anger, discomfort. Is your response going to be rational?
No.
Right? But you did get irritated and there is no dispute in that. Yes, sometimes we get irritated because ye kya hai, constantly this person is talking to me like this. Accept it. But the best solution is to find a peaceful moment in which to talk adult to adult ki you have this habit of responding in anger. Do you realize it? Do you think you need to change? Or do you think you are justified in your constant angry responses? So have a conversation. That's the most logical and adult approach that you can have in dealing with anger. So this is one. Two, when he responds angrily, you counter respond with your own irritation and anger. क्या है हमेशा कुत्ते के जैसे बात करते हैं? So that then be prepared for another counter. Because you are saying this person is habitually angry. responses are always angry. So then your anger will escalate the anger.
Correct.
Then be prepared for an escalation of anger. Are you prepared to escalate your irritation and your anger and then counter? Then where will this escalation stop? So that is a second possibility. Third possibility is accept it. Swabhav hai. Ignore it. And deal with it as if it happened every day. Gulp your momentary irritation because you don't get irritated every time. Occasionally it happens. Tell yourself, कि ठीक है, today I got irritated and I should not get irritated. Cool down and continue living the way without any more turmoil and trouble. So you got 3 options.
Right.
Now choose, tell me which option suits you.
I would rather keep quiet and
खत्म, बात खत्म हो गई. Fantastic. फिर तकलीफ किधर है?
but over a period of time when it continues, I mean, this person is habitually irritated and his responses will be in anger. You do tend to get
Now
frustrated.
you want to change this person.
Yes.
Now come to the point.
Yeah.
अभी मैं समझ गया. You want to change this person. Are you capable of changing this person?
No.
Have you tried changing this person?
Yes.
Yes. You have not succeeded.
Correct.
Is this person having some affinity for another person in your lives? Then maybe you can route your corrective measures through the person towards whom this person has more affinity. Did you try that?
No.
Then try that.
Okay.
Because you are interested in correcting this person. Now let's say you tried through the other person who is very close to this person and it still didn't work. Then what?
Accept it.
Now you are talking the subject. मुझे तकलीफ हुई, मैंने घर में होम रेमेडी ट्राई किया, तकलीफ दूर नहीं हुई. मैंने फिर गूगल डॉक्टर में चेक किया एंड ट्राइड वॉट एवर गूगल सजेस्टेड, तकलीफ दूर नहीं हुई. फिर मैं असली डॉक्टर के पास गई, तकलीफ दूर नहीं हुई. फिर मैं स्पेशलिस्ट के पास गई, तकलीफ दूर नहीं हुई. फिर मैं हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गई, बहुत सारा पैसा खर्चा किया, बहुत सारी ट्रीटमेंट ली. आई डिड नॉट गेट द रिलीफ. Then what do you do?
You actually can't.
Live with it. You live with it. ये भी बीमारी है जिस पे आपने सब क्योर ट्राई नहीं किए. So what I'm first suggesting is try all the cures. और अगर if it is incurable, then you live with it. What choice do you have? Do you say नहीं अभी ये शरीर में तकलीफ है, I'm going to discard this body, I'm going to commit suicide? Are you going to say that?
No.
अगर if you're going to say that, फिर छोड़ दो इस व्यक्ति को. Answers are very simple. Have we tried all options? That is my question. If you have not tried options, then try all the options. Despite trying all options sincerely, with full intent, with full effort, if you still don't get the results, accept.
Accept.
मेरे नसीब में है ना गाना. Accept. क्या कर सकते हैं?
So I would like to know whether anger and aggression go hand in hand.
Not necessarily. Sometimes you are genuinely angry, but not aggressive. You're just angry. Sometimes you don't even express anger. You're angry, but you're seething inside. Sometimes you're angry and you express anger vocally. You scream, you shout, or you simply make a statement that I don't like what you're doing. Example. Sometimes you're angry and you threaten. Threaten could be physical violence, threaten could be any other consequences. It could be, I'll sue you. Yeah? And sometimes you're aggressive, but you're not angry. Because you know that aggression works. But I'm not angry. I'm showing aggression without anger. Because I know aggression will deliver the results. For example, I and my wife always have an argument about switching off lights. For example, I like to keep lights on and she likes to switch lights off because why waste electricity? And then one fine morning, she tells me, lights आज off नहीं किए तो घर में खाना नहीं बनेगा. She's not angry, but she's giving me a threat. She's giving me an aggressive threat कि आज तेरे को भूखा मरना पड़ेगा, खाना नहीं बनाऊंगी. Not angry. So it's not always that anger and aggression go hand in hand. Sometimes they do, sometimes it's a game, sometimes it's a posture, you pose, and sometimes you're out of control and both happen simultaneously. Road rage, as they say, तेरा गाड़ी मेरे गाड़ी को क्यों ठोका? And it escalates to physical fists.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anger and aggression went hand in hand, escalated out of control. So it is always situational. There's no formula to it. Emotions cannot be formulated. Emotions happen. Your behavior can be formulated. Your response to your emotions can be formulated. How do I behave when I'm getting irritated, when I'm getting angry? Should I become aggressive? Should I become vocal? Should I swallow my anger? Or should I express it in a civil, decent manner? That can be controlled.
Okay.
So this is a common issue as far as most human beings are concerned. They struggle with these aggressive emotions. Emotions are bound to arise. How to deal with yourself when your emotions are slowly going out of control is the whole part. Now the next question logically would be, how do I control my emotions? Then everything has a practice. How do I develop my muscle? I go to the gym, I work out on certain muscles. So develop the muscle of your mind by certain practices which are available in various places. If you come to us, it is available in our course called Life and Breath. Go to our website. You will see it here on the screen, www.pratibimtrust.com. You will find the way to deal with your anger and emotions.